What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering Kaspa. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So just to give a little recap from my previous Kaspa video, it was trading at just under 10 cents, and I had it drawn in a decent sized falling wedge while calling out the massive Class A bullish divergence. Fast forward to the current Kaspa chart, and you can see it started to break out, but then it got rejected off the 21-day moving average. But nonetheless, had you guys taken this trade, you could have made up to 13.4% in 3 days, which are actually pretty incredible gains. And if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, I will go deeper into the Kaspa chart at the end of the video. But anyways, Kaspa is currently trading just under 10 cents. Its market cap is 2.2 billion, which ranks 38th among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is 22.5 billion out of a max supply of 28.7 billion, which is about 78.5% in circulation. And if you guys are looking to trade Kaspa, I recommend using KuCoin or MEXC. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Kaspa X account. So they have 192,000 followers. And Kaspa just posted 22 hours ago. Thanks Ledger for your support. And that was 2 Ledger's posts. Great news. The Kaspa Currency Ledger Nano app is now available. That means you can now secure and manage your Kas with your Ledger Nano. And as most of you guys know, Ledger is one of the biggest cold wallets out there. So it's never a bad thing to see a nice integration. But outside of this Ledger news, there isn't really a lot to cover on Kaspa that I haven't covered in my previous videos. So now we'll go ahead and get into some macro news that could affect Kaspa's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Kaspa. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and they just posted 19 hours ago. The Federal Reserve leaves interest rates unchanged, remains at 5.25% to 5.5%. Now, I think a lot of people saw this coming, but I don't know as though we are that far away from the interest rates getting lowered, which could be very bullish for crypto. And then 21 hours ago, FTX expects to repay its crypto customers in full. Now, will FTX ever have the reputation that it previously had? Probably not. That would be extremely difficult for them to get that back. However, if they did end up repaying all of their customers in full, that could change a lot of things about FTX. But I will also say this depends on when they repay everyone back, because getting your money at the heights of a bull market versus getting your money at the depths of a bear market is completely different. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I've been posting on here pretty much every day, and I've actually been making some very profitable calls. So make sure you guys stay tuned. But also, if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I actually have an opportunity for you. So I have recently launched a private Discord through Patreon. We are currently up to 11 total members, and joining my Discord has many benefits. This is for those of you guys that want closer access to me, and you want to track the cryptos that I'm buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold, which I believe could give you a significant leg up on the competition. You have to understand a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. They're the kind of projects that could theoretically turn $1,000 into $100,000. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. It's in the description. But now for the final part of this video, I'll go over some technical analysis. So this is Kaspa on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys taken this initial trade, you could have made up to 13.4% gains in 3 days. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing is that the RSI and stochastics are both neutral. They both have room to come up or go down. Now, if you look at price action, we actually swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low, which is a very strong Class A bullish divergence. So based off that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get a bounce. However, the main thing that would keep me from taking a Kaspa trade right now is the fact that price action is trading beneath both the 21-day and the 50-day. That is typically never a good thing to see. So I'm going to keep it very brief on Kaspa. If I personally was looking to get into Kaspa, even with the massive Class A bullish divergence, I would first look for price action to get back above the 21-day or the 50-day. If we cannot, I would look for more downside. And the next possible level would be 0.078. Now, lastly, I'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And Bitcoin's actually very interesting right now. So as most of you guys know, I was calling for 38,290 for a long time. Now, price action didn't quite touch those levels. It touched 38,555. But we ended up getting a bounce, and price action actually got back above the 21-day and the 50-day, which is what I want to see Kaspa do. However, we have recently broken right back beneath the 50-day, but we are using the 21-day as support. So just to be completely clear on Bitcoin, in the short term, these are crucial levels. Now, I will say, similar to Kaspa, Bitcoin does have a massive Class A bullish divergence, which could definitely signal that we're going to get a bounce. But at the same time, these moving averages are no joke. So if we cannot close a candle back above the 50-day, then I would look for more downside. And the reality is that 38,290 is still in play. And if that happened, that could tank the entire market. So in the short term, still be very careful trading altcoins. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just realize crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.